Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is day 7 of 12 days of Christmas. So this one is, I just need to share it with you in case you're looking for Christmas gifts. You guys, okay, so I went on to the Me and My Big Ideas, the Happy Planner website, and they had this mystery bag, and it was $34 and some change, and I got all of this stuff, you guys. So if you are looking for Christmas gifts for somebody who likes to do planning, this is the best, you guys. So I have to show you. I mean, you can use them for stocking stuffers, you can use them for individual gifts, or you can just use them for one big gift, or pick and choose, maybe keep something for yourself. So let me go ahead and just show you real quick. This is the Happy Planner. It's just stickers, but it's got those sides in there so they can pop right into your Happy Planner. So, I mean, you guys, these alone, this is like, I don't even know, but the price right now is amazing. Like 35 bucks and you get all of this stuff. And each of these things, I mean, I see some of this stuff in there for 20 bucks, 30 bucks. But okay, so here's the stickers. The one I got, the pack I got was the Goals Mystery Pack. So you'll see a lot of goals stuff in here, like Boss Babe, Don't Quit Your Daydream. That's the first one. This is stickers, sticky notes, and cardstock. So it's got little cards in here for you, plus some stickers and little sticky notes. This has 399 pieces in it. Look at all of that stuff you can get with it. And then, oh goodness, look at this. This is called the Girls with Goals sticker pack. Has a 701 pieces in it. But this one has a lot of purples. Look at that. Believe in yourself. I will definitely be using this on my next planner spread. So I'm so excited to be back into doing the Happy Planner each week. I am loving it. I'm still doing my journal as well. But that's more private. I decided I wanted to keep that kind of private. I still have the link in case you do want to get one of the planners for anybody who just may need a little help on their insights of life, I guess. But it's a recovery journal. So this is Girls with Goals, and I love it. So again, I'm going to skip down to something else. The same colors. We've got this stickers, sticky notes, and notepads, 895 pieces. And it is just a nice notepad here. And you've got your just notes. These are literal notes. They don't stick anywhere. But you got some sticky notes. And sometimes, like, this is good to have around in case you make a plan, but you haven't put your spread in that place yet. So lots of sticky notes, and it's sticky all the way. Look at this. From here up is sticky. From here up is sticky. This is halfway. And then this is almost the whole thing is sticky. But again, we've got some great stickers. More little tiny guys to go in. The little ones. Look at all of this. So these can be used with, oh, these are fun. These can be used with your journals, your happy planners, of course, making spreads for a memory decks. But look at this. You got your goals and you get to reflect. All right, moving on. We've got this one. This is Empowering Women stickers. 635 stickers in here. And look at that. We've got new flowers, if you saw my last. And then we've got side cards there. What's this say? 5 daily reminders. I'm amazing. I am capable. Positivity is a choice. I celebrate my individuality. I am prepared to succeed. How cool is that? So, movie nights tonight. Meet for coffee, hanging out. That's cool. Vacation planner. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that big old nice one. See, wouldn't that look good in like a journal? So I'll definitely be using these in my life journal. Have courage. Oh, look at all those flowers. Forget about it. These ones will be used quite a bit. Can you believe I got all of that stuff for $35? I'm not even halfway done yet. This has some dashboards in it. I don't know exactly how many are in here. Let's see. Is it 3? Yep, there's 3 of them in here. But what I like about these is the dashboards have the cut on the top. So we've got 1, 2, 3 right on top. I guess what I'm not fancy and loving is that one looks too far away. So I don't know, it should go right next to each other, but it looks like there's a space in between. Anyways, we'll see once I open it. But it's got 3 dashboards with the tops there, and it says, girl, you're going places on that one. I don't know what the other ones say. I think this one says hello beautiful, which, you know, falls right in line with the Beauty and the Stamper brand. I love this. You guys, this is a block pad, 100 sheets, and it looks like they're all stuck to one. So it's literally a block pad, so you can put it in your planner. You can have a separate ring for these things, or you can just keep it on your desk and pull them off as needed, and then place them when you need them. There's 100 sheets in here. It's got a great thing for your to-dos, your email lists, and I guess just your workflow there. This is an undated hourly extension pack. And let's look at the back here. 481 pieces, meaning pages and everything. But it looks like there's just so many different goals. Let's see what's in here. Stickers, monthly calendar pages, daily hourly schedule, undated, monthly prompts to focus on your month, encouragements, goal sheets, and a space to map your success. So very cool. And then of course it's got little tabs there as well. Now, look at this huge one. This has 26 stickers, and it's got all these Boss Babe goals. I love this. But look at that. She who dares wins. So we've got those stickers. That's huge. We've got a pen case that comes with the ribbon there, so you can put it right around your journal. And then finally, a happy journal with goals. So look at this here. It has, what is your main goal today? Ways to help you achieve this goal. Write 3 positive daily reminders. 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today. List 3 wins from today. What is your main goal today? Today's tasks. Write an encouraging message to yourself. 1 thing that you're grateful for. And what are 2 lessons you learned today? You guys, this very much reminds me of my journal that I have on Amazon, actually. So that is totally cool. Mine is about half this size. But this is really neat. And it's got 80 sheets in there. You've got the discs, which are gold. And what does this say? Goal, plan, repeat. So You guys, all of this stuff for less than $35. And I think right now they have free shipping. And this is just the gold pack. They have other packs as well. I think there's a foodie pack that got sold out. But there's just like a basic planner pack and something else. And I don't make any money off of me telling you guys this, other than my YouTube here. But I had to share it with you. So I think what you're going to do, if you want to get this, go to the Happy Planner. I'm assuming it's happyplanner.com. It doesn't say. Or me and my big ideas. The only reason I got it is because I signed up for their email. I'll put a link down below if I could find out what that link is. And I'll put that in the description. All right, beauties. I hope you liked it. I certainly did. And today is piano day, so I've got to take off. But wanted to make sure I showed this to you. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.